Day 4, it's an optional practice. We're at Devil's Playground. We're doing the top section. It's rough and it's high and it's fast. And I have been begging Ben to run today because I need to practice. We were so careful to find out what hits, because to make our aerodynamics work, we've got to run our Tesla low. But on the bumps, low's not good, man. It's banging on the ground. So I'm excited. I'm always excited at Pikes Peak. But we're back up here. We're at 12,000 feet and we're going to 14,000 and we're going to find out what hits. Ben, what do you think?
Yeah, it's been an amazing journey. You know, this car, every day we're learning something new about the setup and every day it's getting faster. And yesterday was fantastic. It was the first time that I think we felt that, you know, we're starting to get dialed in, at least for that section. And seeing your reaction and hearing you say, you know, the car is, I'm not sure the exact words, but it's pretty much dialed. You didn't want to change anything, which is the first time I heard you say, let's leave it. Because every day we were facing challenges, and that's natural. You know, last year we had a car that you couldn't adjust much. You could bring it up and pretty much run it. But this year it's all about the setup for the track, and it's actually a lot of hard work, and we didn't come out here for practice a couple weeks earlier. So we're learning on the mountain every day and making it faster. And what we're seeing in the results is every day we're getting faster. But this is a really challenging section, as you described, and with a car like this, there almost is no way to do it perfectly because ground clearance and suspension and tuning is just, it's not optimized for off-roading in essence.
Yes,
that's hard.
It's totally a compromise deal. The bottom is smooth, almost like a racetrack. The top is really rough, like a dirt road, but it's paved, but it's really rough.
So we're trying to find the right ride heights. Thankfully, we're at a spot yesterday where we felt the heights were pretty good. We'll see how rough it is up here and see if we have to make any adjustments, but I think as we talked about, you know, the goal is to get this thing race ready and to get the final specs tuned in, and it's important to get data up here and to see if that's what it is, if we're there.
We're here to learn and be ready for race day. Okay, day 4, the optional day at the top. We're done. Tell you what, people, on the bottom, one of the best handling cars I've ever driven. One of the fastest cars here. On the top, on Baja 500, we're not there yet. We got to sit down and do some research. Feels to me like the front is happy. It's rough, but it's happy. The rear is not happy. And that's what we're going to look at.
Yeah, I mean, we're finding it's really hard to build a really fast car for 2 different terrains. And this year it seems like the road conditions are a lot worse in some places. We've seen a lot of people go off in the same spots. And yeah, even despite trying to take it easy, you know, we had an accident out there today and damaged the front splitter.
Oh yeah, that.
So
sorry, Ben. It was close.
Yeah, we're really trying to be safe and to learn, but it's just so nasty out there. The road conditions are so bad. But yeah, it's almost like you need to build 2 cars for this race. You need to build one for below, one for above.
The bottom, it's a killer. It's a race car. It's fantastic. Ben, I really appreciate you sticking with me on this stuff too. You know, I wrecked his car and he let me back out again because we wanted to scuff the wets, see what they felt like. The Yokohama Racing Ring tires, they felt great. Even in the dry, I got a really good feeling about them. Sticky, and they don't squirm much. And also, we just learned about more the shock adjustment. We adjusted it some.
Yeah.
So we're moving in the right direction.